Welcome to W.F. Herman Academy Secondary, home of the Griffins. Great things are happening here, and we look forward to seeing you in September. Established in 1958, W.F. Herman Secondary School's academic, athletic, and extracurricular programs have a long and glorious history. Herman is currently a school of approximately 625 students and 65 staff members following a traditional semestered school model. Semester 1 beginning in September and the second semester beginning in February. A wide range of programming options are available to students, including courses in the arts, business, family studies, French, geography, guidance and career studies, as well as history, mathematics, physical education, science, social science, and technological studies. Herman is also well known for its unique specialized program options, which include an award-winning music program, French immersion, exceptional athletics, and a wide array of technological education programs, which include Ontario Youth Apprenticeship programs in precision metal trades and hairstyling. Specialist high skills major programs are also available in the areas of manufacturing, health and wellness, and hospitality and tourism. W.F. Herman takes great pride in a variety of supports and services. Our guidance counselors, learning support, and student success teachers work collaboratively with students and parents to assist students in achieving success. Extended services and specialized supports are available through our Change Your Future program, child and youth workers, FNMI supports, and professional services.
A variety of post-secondary pathway options are available to students. The road to community living, the workplace, college, and university begin with course selection. Grade 9 students have the ability to choose from a range of courses at the academic, applied, and open level. Students are encouraged to work with their grade 8 teachers to choose courses that are suited to their strengths, interests, and future goals. Locally developed courses in math, English, and science are available to students who require additional literacy and numeracy development. These courses may lead to direct entry into the workforce, apprenticeship, and some post-secondary programs. Students working toward an Ontario Secondary School diploma begin working toward these requirements in grade 9. Students have the opportunity to gain both compulsory and optional credits, begin their preparation for the Ontario Secondary School Literacy Test, and the ability to gain valuable experience through community service. The Grade 9 program includes compulsory courses in English, math, science, geography, French, and physical education. Students may choose 2 optional courses from a variety of disciplines. These include music, visual arts, information technology and applications in business, exploring family studies, and introduction to technology.
Secondary school registration will begin in January. Grade 8 students within the Herman family of schools, Coronation, Davis, Ford City, Herman Elementary, Maxwell, Roseville, and eligible students from Giles campus will receive their registration packages through their elementary school. Out-of-district public school students wishing to attend Herman may complete an online out-of-district attendance application between January 4th and January 15th. Parents can request more information through their elementary school's office. Students from separate and private schools are asked to contact Herman's Guidance and Student Services Office to obtain a registration package. Welcome, future Griffins. We look forward to seeing you in September. Great things are happening here at Herman.